Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to look at steps to enable the sudo command on Windows 11. Windows 11 now includes the sudo command like on Linux and macOS to run commands elevated without the need to open the Windows terminal with command prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. This feature is available on Windows 11 build 26052 and higher releases or after installing version 24H2, which is expected to release during the second half of 2024. Okay, so let's dive into the steps. But before, remember to click the like button so YouTube pushes this video to more people, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, to enable the sudo command on your computer, open Start and look for Settings. Then go to System and open the For Developers page. And here, scroll down and turn on the Enable Sudo setting. And now choose the mode that you want to use with the command. The recommended mode is to use the inline option. This will give you the same experience like using the sudo command on Linux and macOS and other Unix-based operating systems. This means that when you run the sudo command, the console will allow the execution of the administrator tasks within the same window. There is also this option, and this will run the command, which when you invoked the sudo command, the terminal will open a new window as an administrator to run the command and additional commands. And finally, there is this option, the input disabled, and this is the most secure experience. It runs the command in elevated mode inside of the current window, but the process won't allow you to execute any more inputs. If you want to run additional processes, this mode will not work. So my recommendation is just to use the inline mode. Another way to enable the sudo command on your computer is through the Windows terminal, whether you use command prompt or PowerShell. And to do that, open Start and look for the terminal. Then right-click the application and select the Run as Administrator option. And this is going to be the last time that you actually have to right-click the console and run it as an administrator. So now you need to run this command, sudo config enable, and the mode that you want to use with experience. If you use the normal option, that will enable the inline mode, and then you just need to press enter. As you can see, the command will output. The sudo mode is set to inline mode. Now, if you want to enable the in a new window option, you need to use the same command, but you need to use the force new window option. And as you can see, now when you run the sudo command, it will open an additional window in administrator mode. And finally, if you want to disable the input, you need to run the same command, sudo config enable, with the option disable input. And as you can see, now we have enabled that mode. So those are actually the three modes that you can configure, and you can switch between the three just by typing the command to enable the option. So now using sudo is the same as when working on Linux and macOS. So if you want to see the options available with this command, just type sudo, then h, and press enter. And as you can see, now you can see the commands, arguments, and options available. Just remember that when using the actual sudo command, you're using the tool that is case sensitive. So let's say if we wanted to use sudo-h, this will actually generate an error. However, it's just to use the help. Now, if you want to run a Windows command, those are not case sensitive. Now let's close the console because it's running as an administrator mode, but now we're going to open it in regular mode. So now I'm in C. So if I do a dir command, we can see we have a bunch of files and folders, and I created this text file 1 and 2 to demonstrate how the sudo command works. So let's say that you want to delete the text file 1, but because I'm in the root C, I will get access denied because I actually need administrator permissions in order to modify any of the files inside of the root. Now, if we use the same command, but we add the sudo option, but now we can see that the terminal actually elevated the command and executed the delete function successfully. It is important to note that in this case, I didn't get the user account control dialog box to confirm the elevated mode, but that might be the case on your computer. And I think that's because I'm using an administrator account, but that's just something to keep in mind. And that's it. That's how you enable the sudo command on Windows 11. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.